Hey folks, DJ with the Raptor School Garage, and today we got a new project for the for the 2013 Ford F-150 XLT, and we're going to put a tonneau cover on it. And in order to do that, I enlisted the help of my brother, Rambling Skizzo over here. If you haven't yet, go over and check out his channel. I'll put a link down in the description down there, and we'd appreciate it. So let's get to work. Alright, so here's everything that comes with it. You've got the clamps to hold these rails in place along the side of the bed. That big black bag there is the tonneau cover itself, and a little strip of weather stripping, which I'm not quite sure what it's for yet, but we're going to read those instructions right there and figure it all out. Okay, let's get started here. It says assembling cover. Place cover assembly on right truck bed rail against the cab. Loosen the screws and bulkhead assembly on both sides. Then slide in the slide rail. Anybody know what that means? Because I don't. But the picture helps. So basically we take this, lay it up against the cab, and then take our two side rails and lay them up along the bed, top of the bed. So let's get that going.
He just thinks he knows everything.
Exactly. So we lay this here, kind of like that, and get our side rails. Here's the side rails. Looks like, what does this say? I'm trying to read it upside down. Right here we got a little label that says, having issues with the lock mechanism? Refer to the troubleshooting guide. Okay, I believe this part goes to the front. Let's see, it's got a little label down here. Doesn't say. Okay. Well,
Front felt like I already had one.
let's find out. Let me see that
I
one.
think these are just for the sides.
Huh?
These are just for these rails.
Yeah, what I'm saying is that you got to piece this chunk here,
Yeah.
but you don't have one down here. So one side goes to the front, one side goes to the back. Now we just need to know which one. So let's look at the instructions. Oh, and we did. We put them on backwards. So according to this, this is loosen. It's supposed to go to the back. What was it called?
Okay.
Loosens in the bulkhead assembly. Really, it just said loosen, but oh, because there's a little track right there. There's a little track
No, it goes in.
where the bolt can go in, so I don't really need to take it all the way out, just enough so we can slide in that track. Loosen this one up. And then it looks like, I'm just guessing here because I didn't look this part up, but it appears to me that this slides into there somehow. Yeah, look at that. Well, I may be dumb, but I ain't stupid. He said that's debatable. I agree with him. It is debatable. All right, got those hooked up. Now, I'm trying to do this a little bit quicker than I should be probably, because it is dang cold out here.
It is cold out
Oh, retighten the screws. Right.
here. Oh, the boot cover ripped in half.
Sorry if you're not able to see this. I'm basically just tightening these screws that we just undid. All right, now, what's next? Let's see what it says. We got Whip over there making his own video, so because he's supposed to be helping me, but all he's doing is walking around supervising.
I'm coming.
You can help me by bringing me my beer. Alright, position the side rails and the clamps. Oh, now we're just going to install the clamps. So they should fit right up underneath, here, right up underneath this ledge.
Like a truck cap.
Yep, just like a truck cap. So we'll do one in the front, one in the back, and then one in the middle. So hand me a couple of them. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm sure that they'll tell you don't tighten them down yet because we'll need to adjust it back and forth. Okay? Huh?
This ain't right. How do we put these on?
I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Maybe it goes this way. Oh, it goes up inside this lip, probably, Jared. So put it on down here. And then it's going to go up inside. Yeah. See that? Just like that. Well, now I got this one stuck in here. Alright, we'll just take it off completely. How about that? And get as close to the front as you can. I don't know, probably like right here. You get the same thing I do? Okay. We'll put one about the middle, like right directly over the wheel well. Should be about good. That should be about middle. Alright, if they don't play nice, just take the nut off the bottom, separate it into two pieces, then put it on. There we go. Oh, my fingers, I can barely feel them. Might have to take a short break and put some gloves on for a minute. All right, well, that looks about right to me. So we're not going to tighten them all the way down yet. We're just going to snug them up a little bit. Make sure that then we'll fold the tonneau cover out. Make sure it all fits and looks good, and then we'll tighten it down. But I'm just kind of enjoying watching Whip up there work while I stand and supervise for a little bit. Alright, here we are trying to get the tonneau cover on. I'm going to leave this camera out here to get kind of a wide angle of what's going on. We've got Whip up there from the Rambling Schizo hooking up the clamps that'll hold the tonneau cover to the bed. And as you can see, we've got the tonneau cover mounted right up to the cab. We're going to need to pull it back just a little bit though, because it's right up against the cab and we don't want that. We want the bed to have room to move without rubbing on the cab itself. So yeah, you got the clamps on?
Yes, sir.
All right, looks like he's got the clamps on up there. And he's just trying to adjust it a bit, so we'll go up there and give him a hand, see what's going on. Just basically unstrapping it. There's a strap with a hook. How's that hook?
The hook's to the
Oh, okay. It's just got a little.
So when you roll it up from here,
Yeah, it's just got a loop there, and you just hook this hook into it. I don't know if you can see it or not. I mean, we're almost done, I believe. We're just kind of test fitting it right now. And there's going to be a bar on the back here. This is what I like about this one, is that it has the bars built in. The last one I had kind of arching bars, you know, that kind of raise the top up a little bit, but this one doesn't have that, so it makes it a lot cleaner install. We're going to roll this up all the way. And we're going to take this whole thing, push it forward. And while I'm holding it in place, good old Whip there is going to start tightening down some clamps.
Are you sure that's where you want it? No.
No, but that's why we're going to snug them down so they stop moving, so we can actually get a good idea, you know. And it looks like the nut on the bottom should hold itself in place while you screw the top one.
Yeah, I saw that.
Whew. You see how red my hands are? It is cold. Yeah, it's got to get, yeah, you want it,
Well, we just want it.
I want it snug so it's not going to move when we're messing with the cover anymore. Yeah, I'll do the same thing with that one. What we're doing is I'm holding the rail right up against the bed here while he's tightening it down, so that way we know we're both in good spots, you know. Both of them are pretty much even. Give me a whip. I thought you were going to do a whip.
Where's the weaponism?
There we go. Man, I teach
See,
you how to use a ratchet.
He's the serious one. I'm the jokester. That's going now.
Gotten it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, now we've got that in place, and it looks like we got a good seal on the front. So now we're going to pop this down again and see if it, you don't need to tighten any of those yet.
I'm not.
Oh, okay. We're going to pull this down and see if we got a good seal now.
I'm just making sure you can hide a dead body back here.
Oh, you can. Wouldn't be my first time. I'm kidding, folks. I didn't really kill anybody and hide him in the back of my truck.
Yeah.
Okay. Watch. Whoa. Almost. Don't kick your... I'm going to put it on the floor. All right. Hold that in place. Close the tailgate. Ah, there we go. Now we got coverage. That's exactly where it needs to go. Fits up under the tailgate. Fits in about to right here. About a good, I don't know, a third of the way, which is perfect. And now we just tighten down and we're done. You want to drill?
Yeah.
All right. You keep going and I'll find a drill that will, whew, my hands are cold. Hook him up with a little power so he doesn't have to use his little ratchet. Don't kill him.
That was done.
Huh?
That was done. I knew it. I knew how to do it.
Nice and tight.
Yeah, that's good.
Huh?
Just move into this one.
That thing will get them tight, man.
Yeah, but I don't want to keep tight.
Yeah, it's aluminum. You don't want to break them. So you don't want to torque those things down too tight. Hey folks, DJ from the Rapid Garage. I am watching Whip do his thing. He is helping me with this bed liner, and my hands are frozen. He's got gloves on. I don't. I've got some right there. I just had to put them on. But there he is. So
Hey everybody, Whip from Ramblin' Schizo.
there we go. Yeah, see, he actually does work. I know he talks a lot about it, but he never really shows it on camera. So I'm showing it to you for him. Yep, so there it is. We're almost done. This thing's it went on a little easier than I thought it would. Took longer to set everything up for the video than it did to actually put that on.
Yeah.
So, you know, you could probably, if you just like went at it, and probably take it 10-15 minutes maximum. But nope, thanks to Whip's help, I got it going.
Now with a hint, a head shot.
Oh!
So like I said, he's the skilled one.
Alright,
I'm
here we
just
go.
the funny one.
There we go.
Cigarette. Don't do that just like you got a cigarette.
Alright, so if you see, it's got like a little lip right there, and that lip has to go up inside here. So you want to kind of shove it in as best you can, and then there, now it's hooked up. Now we can tighten it back down.
Well, out of
Ow.
6, I mean that's 2 up, so that's better than 50%.
There we go. Get this one, loosen it back up and put it on. Uh-oh. Lost my nuts.
Yeah, it's awful cold to be doing that.
It is cold, man. My hands are like numb.
Yeah, I can see how red they are. It's in the 20s, it's in low 20s.
Yeah.
Snow on the ground.
Oh yeah. Got a good, what, inch and a half?
Yeah, woke up this morning about 1.5 inches. There's snow all night tonight too.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
And so if it does that, then we're not pulling trees down. Like I said we were going to do today.
It's good. This one good. 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 So let's go ahead and put my gloves on and roll that bed, roll the tonneau cover down, and have a look at it. Here we go. See, this is nice thick vinyl too. I mean, it is thick. So hop out, you grab it, pull it towards you, and boom, you're on. And there you go. All right, well, there it is, folks. Tonneau cover installed, and you can see it's nice and tight. I left it in the house overnight to keep it warm so that it would stretch easier, but it seems like I didn't even need to because we've been at this for a while and it's still nice and tight, so we're good. It's got full coverage all the way around. Again, these little loops are what you use to store it when you want it all the way rolled up, so we're not going to worry about those. And yeah, looks good. I don't see any gap at all the way around. So just show you again real quick how it opens. Pop the tailgate down. There's a cable right inside here. Got a little rubber piece on it. Pull it down, it pops up. And this.
We got this done just in time.
That's all you gotta do.
Light's gone.
And then it locks. And boom. Oop, that one didn't go down all the way, did it? Yeah. There it went. Probably takes a little bit for it, because it is, like I said, it is cold out.
Yeah, it's in the low 20s.
So, alright, let's clean this crap up and we'll call that a job well done. So if you did like the video, go ahead and hit that like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And make sure you check out Whip's channel over there. That's Rambling Schizo. Again, I'll have a link in the description. I will catch you all on the next one.